Hello guys, my name is predefined. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to split um, multiple data in an array using Foreach loop. That's in PHP. So first of all, I'm going to get my bracket, my text editor. Then I'll do my HTML structure. Then in here, I'm going to create my PHP open, PHP close. Then now let's say we have an array. This is how you create an array, which is a function. Then inside we have the multiple data. We have multiple data. Like we have these are called strings because they have the double quotes inside. So let's say we have Kunle as 1. This is 0, don't mind me. We have Kunle, then we have Tommy, then we have Ify. Then let's say we have another, we have another string again. What name will I give this guy? Let's say Esther, whatever, Esther. Okay, now I'm gonna do something here. Hold on guys. So now this is an array. As you can see, it holds multiple data, and if you're trying to show this thing on the browser by using the PHP command called echo or print, it's gonna run into a problem. So let's say I'm gonna say echo $name. So let's see what happens here. Yeah, it's already running into bugs, array to string conversion on line 14. We couldn't convert to string, then spit it out. So what do? I'm going to use what we call the Foreach. So I'll say Foreach is a function, it has parentheses. Then now these curly braces you see tells us everything we write here is like a code that will work with this guy. You understand? It's like like you're doing your if else statement or whatever, or your while loop. So in here now, inside the parentheses, I'm going to try and convert this guy. So I'll say $name, then I'll use a predefined PHP command called as. Then I'm going to change to this new variable names. If you notice the names, the variable called names and this name, they are not the same. Look at this name, look at these names. This guy belongs to this guy here, and this is a new variable. I can also change the name and say key or value or box name, or whatever you choose to give it, but I'm just gonna say names, something similar to the text here, the information here. So now we are done converting. So let's see what happens when I try to speed them out, and I'll say echo $names. That's this guy now. I'm going to print this guy on the browser. So let's see what happens here. Kunle, Tommy, Ify, Esther. So that is it, guys. It's very simple. You understand? So please make any comments and let me know cool videos you like me to do. Just few tricks, and thanks. Thank you, guys. Thank you.